one time I was walking here in Livermore into a field, and there was this woman, a young woman, and she had her dog. And I asked if I could buy her dog for $100,000, and she said no. And I said, "How about $1 million? I have $1 million." And she says, "No, no." And I poetically told her, I wish I loved God as much as you love your dog. And she says, I wish people love dogs as much as they love God. And I looked at her and I said, that's idolatry. That's horrible. And then I told her, you're going to die and go to hell. And you could take your dog with you.